What's happening here in our local Santa Cruz real estate market? Is now a good time to buy or sell your Santa Cruz home? With all the uncertainty going on, what should we do? Hi, I'm Shemeika Fox, your Santa Cruz real estate expert. Check out the current Santa Cruz real estate statistics from June 2021 rolling into July 2021. The median single family home cost $1,175,000 and sold in 9 days for 108% of the sales price based on 221 sales in June 2021. Inventory decreased by 2% from May and down 22% from June 2020 with 335 homes compared to 428 from last year. Average days on market decreased by 7 days from 20 to 13 or 35% down. Median days on market dropped by 1 day from the month before. Number of new listings for the month of June decreased 19% over May and is up 9% from June of last year. Closed sales rose 11% from May from 200 to 221 homes sold. This is up 18% from June 2020. So as you can see from the Santa Cruz real estate statistics, we are still considered to be in a seller's market. The way in which the market is analyzed is based on the absorption rate. The absorption rate in real estate market is used to evaluate the rate at which available homes are sold in a specific market during a given period of time. It's calculated by dividing the number of homes sold in the allotted time period by the total number of homes available. The absorption rate in Santa Cruz is currently 65 days. This means if we did not add any more new real estate inventory to the Santa Cruz real estate market, we would sell out of available properties within 65 days. Experts believe that anything less than a 6-month inventory level would be considered a seller's market, and anything over that would be considered a buyer's market. So as you can see, Santa Cruz County is still considered to be in a seller-favored market. The big question, will real estate inventory go up soon? Will we experience another housing bubble like we did in 2008? We know it feels like the wild, wild west out there when trying to buy a home. Ivy Zellman from the Z Report says, this month, our broker contacts report a contribution of robust demand and intense competition from buyers to win houses with bidding wars, all cash offers, waived contingencies, and rent-free leasebacks, increasingly common in many markets. So much is happening across the country in real estate right now, but the biggest story certainly is the lack of available inventory causing this fast-paced and expensive market. They call it robust demand and intense competition. We are still seeing bidding wars and we still do not have enough sellers in today's market. This intense competition is causing buyers fatigue for those that keep getting outbid, usually by all cash offers. Soaring prices of lumber has slowed construction down across the nation as well. You can't turn on the TV without hearing about the rising costs of lumber. Robert Dietz of the National Association of Home Builders says, the decline in single-family permits indicates that builders are slowing construction activity as the costs rise. While housing starts were strong at the beginning of the year due to the home builder constructing homes that were sold pre-construction, higher costs and limited availability of building materials have now paused some projects. This is hurting the supply out while the demand still remains high. We don't want this to discourage you from going out and buying a home this summer. Home ownership is very important. It gives you the ability to build equity as well as many other non-financial benefits. Gallup's polls show that 41% of Americans still believe that real estate is the best long-term investment. If you are thinking about buying or selling your Santa Cruz home, please feel free to reach out to us for a complimentary, confidential consultation. I'm Shemeika Fox, your Santa Cruz real estate expert, and as always, I'm here to help. Make it a great day.